here to present my views on the very concerned topic, importance of emotional health for a happy life. Health is defined as the social, mental and physical well-being of an individual. But in today's scenario, we witness that in the definition of health, mental well-being is the most neglected one. Mental well-being defines the personality of an individual, but it has been estimated that almost half of the population faces mental illness in one or the other way. Maybe it's stress, anxiety, or the most dreaded one, that is depression. So what actually causes mental illness? A big question mark. Well, according to me, it's nothing but consistency. Yes, you heard right. Consistency in our work makes us more perfect. We have often heard that. But here, consistency is about thinking a particular thing again and again. And that particular thing can be about our less marks, or any financial issues, or any other life circumstances that have struck us. And deep down, this makes us inferior. And negative worries of this gradually makes us stressed, and we feel that we are nothing. We feel that we can't do anything. My dear seniors and juniors, this is not the end of the chapter. We are the warriors of our life. Instead of running away from our problems, we should learn to fight with it. A positive mind should take it as a reward, because there is glory in sufferings. And that's how we develop bravery. And that's how we understand the real us. Ups and downs are a part of human life. They are the sacred element that makes our life a unique one. A healthy mind should never take problems in a negative way. Because pain comes to add a sapphire touch in our life, and we have to stand stiff to overcome them. And if that is done, we'll surely witness a happy life. Because if you are emotionally healthy, you'll definitely lead